I'm sure you'll all agree how stunning she looks today. Nothing could have prepared me for what I saw when you walked down the aisle. I don't have to hope our future together will be a happy one. I know it will be. You are my best friend, the love of my life. Thank you for marrying me and making me the happiest man in the world.
Natalie's a kind, caring, lovely young woman, and we're very proud of her. Matt's a great guy and son-in-law. We were struck by his big friendly smile and attitude. He and Natalie are so well matched. They've been smiling ever since.
I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Matthew John Hodgson, do take thee, Natalie Ophelia McKenna, to be my lawful wedded wife.
Matt, I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage and as a token of my love. I promise that I will respect and care for you, be loyal to you, and above all, love and cherish you.
Throughout our lives together.
Throughout our lives together.
I speak on behalf of everyone in saying thanks to Nat's mum and dad for hosting us all here today. And also to Nat and Matt for letting us join them in this epic and most memorable occasion, as it's taken their relationship from sea level to mountain high, quite literally. Being Matt's oldest brother is an honour by itself, and when he asked me to be his best man, I was made up. I wish Nat and Matt all the best, now and forever. May you always love and respect each other. Never leave a quarrel unresolved, but be there for each other. Nat, you bring out the best in my brother. I can see you are made for each other.
We would like to wish Natalie and Matthew a long, happy, healthy future, wherever they are,